Again, there's many ways to do problems. I don't think that what I'm showing you here or in the blue area is the way to go. The way to go is the way you want to do the problem, all right? So I'm going to look at the first equation. I'm going to try to use the zero product rule on it. And it looks doable. And what I mean by that, I'm looking at this as being 3x squared minus 10xy plus 3y squared is equal to 0. And this certainly looks factorable to me. So 3x and x, 0, 3y and y, minus minus. Does that work? You do get 3x squared, by the way, and you do get plus 3y squared in the end. You get the middle. Well, that would be minus 9xy minus 1xy, which is minus 10xy. So I know what y is here. This is zero product rule. Would be 3x, and x would be equal to 3y. All right? So someone says, what are you going to do with that? I'm going to plug it in on the second equation. And by the way, it could be difficult. Now, which one am I going to choose first? This one. I'm going to plug it in here, and I believe that's doable. All right, what do you get? You get 1 over x plus 1 over, what's y? It's 3x equals 4/3. Again, we're doing this one here. I'm going to multiply both sides by 3x. You're going to get, let me write that down for you. You're going to get 3 plus 1 equals 4x. Well, that's pretty simple. X is equal to 1. All right, if x equal to 1, what would y equal? 3. All right, I got my point there. Let's do the other one. Let's do this one here now. What are you going to get up there? 1 over x plus 1 over 3y. I'm sorry, I made a mistake already. I'm a little tired, actually. So what's x? It's actually 3y plus 1 over y equals 4/3. Boy, this is deja vu all over again, right? Multiply both sides by the LCD, which is going to be 3y. And what do you get? 1 plus 3 equals 4y. Y would have to be 1. So if y is 1, what would x be? 3. We're getting 2 points. All right, I want to go to the key. And I realize you might look at this and they did it a different way. And you get this point, this point. But again, the way you take is the way you take. I also believe they gave us a graph. And they gave us a graph with the solutions on it. This is 3, 1, and 1, 3. All right? What is it a graph of? Well, you might be shocked by this. It's a graph of these two lines here. I want to point out it's 3x equals y, or y equals 3x. I'll write that down for you. All right, that's one line. That's this line here. And the other one is x equals 3y. I'm going to write this as y equals 1/3 of an x. I'm going to show you what these lines are. This line here is right here. And this line here is right there. The other one appears to be a rotated hyperbola. And that's the equation. Let me go back over that. This one over here. All right? They're tough questions, though, to graph out. That's why I'm using the machine to do it. Certainly, if you study further, like take pre-calculus with trigonometry, you learn to rotate in hyperbola. All right? But right now, we're doing okay. We're getting the points of intersection, and we're certainly visualizing it using a machine to visualize it. Thank you.